All right, guys, I'm talking about Miele wall ovens and ranges right here. I'm going to show you how to take the racks out the proper way and adjust them. So here's our glide rack right here. We're going to take it, and they give you the handle here, and safety purposes always do when it's cold. So we're going to take it out all the way till it locks, okay? So now it's locked. We're going to pick it up and put it on a 45 degree, and you see it lifts right off the teeth right here, and now we're just going to slide it along the rails. You see that little bump right here where my hand is? That's the guard. So we're just going to pull that out, and like I said, even pressure. See that, and it just slides out. And here's what you really miss, and everybody can't see this, but we're going to show you right here. Here's the teeth right here, and I'm going to slide it towards you just like that, and then you see this little rivet right here, and that's really what you got to get right in the rail. Okay, so let's put it back in, nice and easy. All right, I always do it like this, and we got to do even pressure, okay? Just get first one on the rail like that, then get the second one on the rail so you know it's right in and even, okay? If I can go like that, I know it's even. Now, it's just even pressure all the way back, and then you hit that bump. You're like, what do I do? Lift it up over that and lock it in. See how it locks in like that? Now, the best way to test it, pull it all the way out, put your hands on it like this, and if it applies pressure and doesn't fall, you know you have it in correctly. Glide Rack 101, done deal. Thank you so much.